Three-phase wiring is a way to send electric power using three moving electrical waves instead of just one. It is used in homes, factories, and power stations because it can carry energy smoothly and efficiently. Imagine three children on swings. But instead of all swinging at the same time, each child starts a little later than the one before. In three-phase electricity, the three waves are also spaced apart in time. Each wave rises and falls like a hill, and the three hills are shifted by 1/3 of a turn, or 120 degrees. Here is the idea in a simple picture. These three waves travel together. Because they are evenly spaced, the total power stays much steadier than with one wave alone. That is one big reason three-phase power is so useful. A simple three-phase system usually has 3 live wires. Sometimes it also has a neutral wire. The 3 live wires are called phase A, phase B, and phase C. A very simple wiring sketch looks like this. Source A to B and then to motor or load C. In a real system, the wires are connected to a generator at the power station. Inside the generator, a spinning magnet moves past coils of wire. As it spins, it makes 3 separate voltage waves, each starting a little after the other. Now look at a motor. Three-phase power makes motors spin very well. That is because the electric waves create a turning magnetic field, almost like 3 invisible hands taking turns pushing a wheel around and around. Here is a very simple motor idea. A phase current creates field. 1B phase current creates field 2. C phase current creates field 3. Together, they make one smooth spinning field. This smooth spinning is why big machines use three-phase motors. They start more easily, run more smoothly, and can deliver more power for their size. Three-phase wiring can be connected in 2 common ways. These are called star and delta, or star connection, or delta connection. In a star connection, one end of each coil joins at a common point called neutral. In a delta connection, the coils form a triangle. This way three-phase electricity works.